Alphabet shares are trending after news broke that Apple has explored integrating Google's Gemini AI into Siri, potentially reshaping the competitive dynamics of the AI race and traditional search. Apple Google AI talks a potential power shift. Bloomberg reported that Apple has approached Google to discuss building a custom Gemini powered model to underpin the long awaited next generation of Siri. If finalized, the partnership could fundamentally alter the voice assistant landscape, where Siri has lagged behind Google Assistant, Amazon's Alexa, and now OpenAI powered solutions. For Apple, tapping Gemini could mean faster time to market with AI features rather than building entirely in house models. For Google, it could bring deep integration into the iPhone ecosystem, amplifying Gemini's reach to Apple's over 2 billion active devices worldwide. Neither company has publicly confirmed the talks, but the market reaction underscores how transformative such a partnership could be. Alphabet stock surged 4% to $207.81, hitting record highs. Apple stock rose 2.4% to $228.10, also near record territory. Investor debates: AI opportunities versus risks. The news lands as investors actively debate Google's AI positioning. Competitive edge. Supporters argue Gemini could become the most widely deployed AI model if Apple adopts it, pushing Google far ahead of rivals like Microsoft OpenAI and Anthropic. Traditional search risk. Critics caution widespread AI adoption may erode Google's dominance in search advertising, its core profit engine, if users bypass traditional search in favor of AI answers. Regulatory spotlight. Alphabet is already awaiting a federal judge's remedies following a ruling that it holds a monopoly in general search and search advertising. Remedies could include forcing Google to share search data with competitors, restricting exclusivity agreements with Apple and others, or even divesting parts of its ad or browser businesses. This creates uncertainty. A deeper Apple partnership could strengthen Google's ecosystem or invite sharper regulatory scrutiny. AI infrastructure and partnerships. The community is also weighing Alphabet's massive investments in AI infrastructure, from custom TPUs to cloud scale data centers, and whether partnerships like one with Apple could accelerate monetization. Google has emphasized Gemini as the foundation for search, YouTube, Android, and enterprise products, but its success may hinge on how widely it can scale distribution. The big picture: long term prospects. Bullish view: a Gemini Siri partnership would validate Google's technology as best in class, expand its influence across platforms, and unlock new monetization routes. Bearish view: even if Gemini powers Siri, regulators may step in to prevent Google from tightening its grip on digital ecosystems, while search ad revenue could face disruption from AI driven query answering. Alphabet and Apple are both at critical inflection points. Alphabet, balancing AI opportunity against antitrust risk. Apple, under pressure to deliver meaningful AI features to iPhone users after lagging rivals in generative AI adoption. For now, the market is reacting positively, but investors remain focused on the judge's pending ruling, AI adoption metrics, and any official confirmation of a Google Apple tie up.
Okay, so Google stock gained 3.04% and had added an additional 0.27% in the post-market session. Let's see. Obviously, they have there's Google and there's Google. So let's see whether they have. They always trading alike. There was okay. Yeah, slight difference. There's a slight difference. Okay, so which is which? Okay, well, I think they both printed record highs 208.54 for GOGL. Let's see. Yeah, okay, two slight difference, slight difference, 209.23. So record highs it seems. Okay, so um on this 4 hour chart, the extrapolation is saying that higher prices will remain in place going all the way towards Wednesday, the 3rd of September. No guarantee that that will be the case. Projections we have 206.15 downward projection, 209.47. Let me see. Okay, 209.23 is the record high. Okay, 209. Oh, what? Sorry, 209.23. So 207 will be, or 207, so 209.47 it will be a record high as well. 201.51 record high as well. Okay, you may be surprised. There may have been even high projections before now. I think I just saw 213 somewhere. Yeah, yeah. As of the 15th of August, we had 215.9822, 222.602, double two, 226.69. So you can imagine that there's ample room to the upside for the stock. Okay, so buying pressure is price pressure momentum rather. The 10 period moving average for this one is strongly is in a very strong trend mode. However, the derivatives are all negative, and the 21 period moving average is equally in trend mode as well. The one derivative is negative, indicating that maybe this momentum may be stalling, or it's a case of half glass half full or half empty. It could also mean that this momentum is still in its early innings, even though it's already in a very strong. The trend mode has heated up us seriously. Yeah, it could mean that, and it could mean that it's yet to flush out the severely bearish derivatives it had. Let's just see now. Because for some reason, it's a mix of things. When it was here, when it was consolidating here, some of there was the second derivative here was positive, but suddenly it went negative. It's a mix of things. It can be perplexing how it was positive, and then suddenly it was positive when it was low. It was consolidating, and then when it was rallying, it became negative. Well, it could signal things. Yeah, that okay. Well, we had. I think here there was a slight. Let's see here. I'm thinking what could have gone wrong. Yeah. Well, it's signaling there that clearly the momentum is not it's fading somewhat, but the extrapolation is still saying that higher prices will print regardless. So let's see what is in place for GOGL as well. It's likely to be the same thing. Yeah, same as well. Same thing. Price pressure momentum is just equally the same thing as well. But here we have a slightly a slightly stronger 10 period moving average. Sorry, but it's slightly, yeah, price pressure momentum on it on the 10 period moving average in this case, in this particular one. Yeah, okay. Let's have a look at the daily chart. Daily chart is indicating that strength will remain in place up till Wednesday the 27th, and then after that, okay, well, let's say Thursday the 28th, and then after that, we'll have a contraction of the expansion. Okay, so let's have a look. And then price pressure, everything is robustly positive as well, but not, sorry, nothing. They're not, okay, the 10-day moving average is not in trend mode. It's just getting there, still maintaining the trend. And then the 21-day moving average is in a trend mode. Okay, so projections, let's see what we have. We have 213, 222.62, 228.56. Okay, let's see what we have for Google itself. GOOGL is alphabet. GOG is Google. Let's see what we have here. Same as well. Peak is expected to be by the 28th of August. Then contraction as well. Projections are saying 213.79, 223.37, 229.30. Here as well, everything is here. Okay. The 10-day moving average is also maintaining its trend here, and then the 21-day moving average is also is in trend mode already. Yeah. So just have a look and see what you make of Google stock, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.